Hi all, Pradeep again. Good to see you connected. Today we are going to see a software which is developed on top of Java. This software is a student management system which is specially required for the schools and the universities. Basically, if you see, the softwares are two types. One is web-based application and the other one is desktop-based application. Today we are going to see a software which is desktop-based. Which means you can run this software in your individual machines. If you want to make it globalized, either you have to buy a server or you have to use some front-end languages like PHP or some other languages. If you want the source code of this software, you have to contact me personally, which is mentioned in the description below. Let's, without any delay, get into the technical session. So this is the project folder for student management system which is developed on top of Java, and you'll be able to see the Java classes and SQL files here. I've already converted this project folder into a jar file where we'll go ahead and run the jar file there. Let's go to the location and I'm going to run the jar file. Okay. So this is the home screen and you'll be able to see admin login and user login here. If you say admin login, you should give admin username and password here. Say login and you'll be able to see add student, view student, edit student and due fee, where due fee is nothing but the pending fees of the students. And if you say add student, you should add some student details here. For example, let's say Jack, student number is some number, then email, giving my email ID, and course you can say BSc CS, fee would be $8,000 and fee paid 6,000, and obviously the remaining would be 2,000. And address I can say some first street, then city, some city name, and state, then country where the student is living in. Here I'm giving Zambia, and contact number, and student's contact number, and duration of the course I can say 4 years, and the grade, and this grade is not applicable now, it is applicable when the student finishes his graduation. For now I can say nil, and current semester is first semester, academic level 1. I can say O level. So academic level says that from which university the student is coming from. So academic level 1 I can say grade 10 or O level, and past year will be 2017. Name of the institute, institute name, percentage 89, and academic level 2 which is grade 12, or I can say A level, and first year is 2018, name of the institute, some institute name, percentage, some percentage, and you can add the student's image from your desktop. And I'm going here, you can say, okay, you can search. You can add any image for now, and you can even select the gender, which is male or female, and you can say add student, and you will get the pop-up stating that student added successfully. Say OK and you say log out. So going back to admin login, say admin name and password, and login. You'll be able to see the screen where you have to get into view student and check whether the student which we added is there or not. Mr. Jack is there, and come back, and you can even say edit student, and you can edit the student based on the roll number. For example, if you say 1 and load record, you'll be able to see the record of student with the roll number 1. And you can change something here and say update, and you get a notification stating that student updated successfully, and say OK and log out, and going back to admin again, admin, the password, login, and you'll be able to see the due fee here, where you can go ahead and see who overall has the fee which is still pending, that you can see here, and close this, and you can see log out. Now we are going to get into the user login, where if you say user login, you'll be able to see the screen where you can say some username and password and login, and this is the user section, where you will be able to see add student and view student. Here we are restricting the user to only add the details and view the details. The idea to have this is to reduce the time factor for the admin, wherein the admin can view the student records and make changes accordingly. Let's go ahead and add a student. Since we've already seen this in admin section, I'm going to skip this for now, and just closing this. I say log out. Okay. As I've told you already, this is a desktop-based application. We should either buy a server to make it globalized, or we should use a front-end language and try running that in the domain which you purchased, like GoDaddy or WebHub. Whoever knows Java can just play around with the software, and whoever doesn't know anything about Java can contact me. I will convert the software into an exe file so that you can run in your system. And you have to make sure that the SQL version is SQL 5.7 to test the software in your machine. I'm pretty much done for the today's session. I will also show the student management system which is developed on top of PHP in next video. Please contact me in the below link for the source code, and please subscribe my channel. Stay connected.